In our previous lecture, we learnt about motion of a car on a level road. So ನಾವು level road ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾರ್ದು ಮೋಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಎಸ್ multiplied by r multiplied by g. So this was the last equation. So ನಮಗೆ ವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ equation ಏನು ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ root over nu s rg. So this is for what? Motion of a car on a level road. So here today let us try to learn motion of a car on a banked road. So ಇವತ್ತು motion of a car ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ರೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾರ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಹೌ ದ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ contribute to the circular motion of the car, and that can be reduced if the road is banked. So that means banking of road means the outer edge of the road. So let's suppose this is your road. Okay, straight road. Now the outer edge, so this is the outer edge of the road. So if you raise this slightly above the inner edge, then the road becomes banked. So what are you doing here? So you are just raising the outer edge of the road to certain height. Why are you doing this? So in order to reduce the friction ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಔಟರ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ರೋಡಿಂದು ಔಟರ್ ಎಡ್ಜು ನೀವು ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ we have banked road. So let's suppose there is a car which is moving on this road. So assume this as a car. So you have a car which is moving on the banked road. So now if you draw the normal to this car or to the road, so normal will be like this, perpendicular to the road. So this car has mass m. So let me write the consideration. So consider a car of mass m moving with a speed v along a curved road of radius of curvature r and having angle of banking theta. So this is what I have drawn here. So you have to consider a car of mass m which is moving with a speed v. So the velocity of the car is v. So this car is moving along a curved road. So this is the curved road. So the radius of curvature of this road is r. So if you draw the circle out of this, then this distance will be the radius of curvature and angle theta. So car has got mass m and velocity v. So ಹೀಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ will be always perpendicular to the road. So this is your normal reaction. Clear? Next, what we have to do is, so we have to see the frictional force. So frictional force will be between the wheels of the car and the road, and that will be in this direction F. Clear? So now the weight of this car is acting vertically downwards. So the weight of this car, so cardu weight enaitala adu vertically downwards act agtati. So now adakku, so mg vertically downward draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So this is basic diagram, so you should understand this diagram. So we have a banked road. So one outer edge of the road ನೀವು ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಡ್ ರೋಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಆ ರೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ m, ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ v. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ವಿ ನೋ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಾರ್ಮಲ್. ಸೊ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ದ ರೋಡ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್. Next, so you will always encounter frictional force. So frictional force will be between the tire and the road. So F. And next, the weight of this car. Weight of the car always downwards act ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯರೋ ಹಾಕಿ mg ಅಂತಂದು ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. And now you will also have the centripetal force, so which will be directed towards the center of this curvature. So this is mv square by r. Clear? So I will draw the only this part of this diagram here. So what you have is, so you have a banked road. So on this the car is moving, and the normal reaction to the car is like this. So n will be always perpendicular to the surface. And now what we have mg, which is acting downwards, vertically downward, and you have f. So f is in this direction. So this is F. And what else? So now we have three forces which are acting in different directions. So now what is our job? So we have to find the components of these three forces. So N andre normal force, F is frictional force, mg is weight of the car. So you ಮೂರು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ದು ನಾವು ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ n. So these two will be the vector component for n. So this here are one along the y-axis and one along the x-axis. The angle here is theta. So if this is theta, this will also be theta. So if this is theta, then what will be this side? So if you don't understand, then draw one side again, a last side of the triangle also. ಥೀಟಾಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಥೀಟಾ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋದು ಬೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬೈ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್. ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? base by hypotenuse. So if I write A, B, C, then cos theta will be what? CA by AB. So you know AB, so CA by N is equals to cos theta. So CA will be what? N cos theta. So this vector is N cos theta. N cos theta. So if this is N cos theta, this vector will be what? N sin theta. So sin theta is equals to BC by BA, BC by AB. So AB we know, AB is N, you have sin theta. So BC will be equals to what? N sin theta. So BC is N sin theta. So this vector is equals to this vector. So I can write this vector as N sin theta. So this is N sin theta. So hope this diagram is clear to you all. Next you have another vector F. So F, the components of F will be, one will be along this direction and one will be along this direction. So here you have theta. So you have theta here. So if you extend this line and if you draw the arrow mark, so again you have to apply the same concept, sin theta and cos theta, and after doing that you get this component of F as F cos theta, F cos theta, and one more component will be along mg, and that is F sin theta. So if you don't understand, then draw the triangle here. So if you draw the triangle, so this side will be opposite side. So if you take this side by this side, then you get sin theta. So if you take this side by this side, you get F cos theta. So hope this diagram is clear to you all. So ನಾನು n ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತಾರಂತಿಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಎ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಿ ಎ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಂದು ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅನದರ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಐತಿ ಎಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್, ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಈ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ದು ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ, ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂತ. So just try it. So you will get F cos theta here and F sin theta here. So this is the basic diagram, and mg will not have any components because it is acting vertically downward. So next, if you go, so if we try to understand the frictional static friction, so friction force, so this force is due to static friction. So you can write F is less than or equals to nu s n. So this is not under derivation, so here I am doing the derivation. So F is less than or equals to nu s n. So what is nu s here? Nu s is coefficient of static friction. Clear? Nu s is coefficient of static friction. So you also find the components of n. So components of n are n cos theta, n sin theta, and components of f are f cos theta and f sin theta. So n components are n cos theta and n sin theta. So F components are F cos theta and F sin theta. So one will act along the horizontal surface and one will be along vertical. So since the net force along the vertical is 0, So if you observe here, so this n cos theta is balancing f sin theta. So the net force along this direction is 0. So if I write this here, so the net force, so net force along vertical direction is 0. So that means you can write n cos theta is equals to mg plus f sin theta. So the equation ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? So if you see here, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ n cos theta ನಿಮಗೆ f sin theta ಮತ್ತು mg ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡತೈತಿ. So overall net force vertical direction ಒಳಗೆ so 0 ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. So n cos theta is equals to f sin theta plus mg. So that is what I have written here. N cos theta is equals to mg plus f sin theta. So next you can write, or mg will be equals to the weight of the car can be written as mg is equals to n cos theta minus f sin theta. So I have not done anything, I have just sent this to the left hand side. So these two forces, n sin theta and f cos theta, provide necessary centripetal force. So the forces n sin theta and f cos theta together provide necessary centripetal force. So I can write mv square by r is equals to n sin theta plus f cos theta. So how did I write this equation? So if you look back to the diagram, so centripetal force will be in this direction, and that centripetal force is provided by f cos theta and n sin theta. So that is what I have written. Next, so if you divide equation 2 by equation 1, what you will get? So divide equation 2 by equation 1. So you get mv square by r is equals to n sin theta plus f cos theta whole divided by, so you have mg here, mg which is equals to n cos theta minus f sin theta. Clear? So here you can cancel mm, and what left is v square by rg n sin theta plus f cos theta n cos theta minus f sin theta. So next, if you have the maximum speed, so for maximum safe speed V max of the car, then F will be equals to nu Sn. So this F will be equals to nu Sn. For maximum safe speed V max of the car, F is equals to nu Sn. So substitute this here. What you get? V square by Rg is equals to n sin theta plus nu Sn cos theta divided by n cos theta minus nu Sn sin theta. take n common in both the equations, then what you get is v square max. So since you have substituted f value, so v square max by rg is equals to n sine theta plus nu s cos theta divided by n cos theta minus nu s sine theta. So n will get cancelled. So v square max by rg is equals to sine theta plus nu s cos theta. So divided by cos theta minus nu s sine theta. So you have this equation. So now send this rg to the right hand side. Before that, so let us try to write this equation in terms of tan theta. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is equals to sine theta by cos theta. So ಈ ಮೇಲಿರುವ v square max by rg equation ನಾವು tan theta convert ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So tan theta formula ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. Tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. So v square max by rg is equals to, so divide this equation by cos theta. What you will get? Sin theta by cos theta plus nu s cos theta by cos theta. Clear? So divide this equation again with cos theta. So what you get? Cos theta by cos theta minus nu s sin theta by cos theta. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos theta cancel ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ cos theta cancel ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. So what left is sin theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta. So ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ sin theta by cos theta is equals to tan theta. So v square max by rg is equals to tan theta plus nu s divided by 1 minus nu s tan theta. So ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ equation tan ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಜಿನ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಉಳಿತೈತಿ? ವಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಜಿ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಎಸ್ divided by 1 minus nu s tan theta. So next namak just v max bekandre square root can be sent to that side. So v max is equals to root over rg multiplied by what? Tan theta plus nu s divided by 1 minus nu s tan theta. So this is v max. So let's suppose if nu s is equals to 0. So nimaga coefficient of static friction nu s 0 ittandra v max equation enagutta? So v max is equals to root over rg tan theta plus nu s is 0, so 1 minus 0 into tan theta. So 0 into anything is 0, so tan plus 0 is tan. So what we will get is v max is equals to root over rg tan theta. So this is equation number, so how much? So let us call this as equation number 4 and this as equation number 5. Clear? So V max is equals to root over Rg tan theta. So at this speed the frictional force is not needed at all to provide necessary centripetal force. And there is practically no wear and tear of the tires. So wear and tear of tires is not possible here. So if you go with this maximum speed, so Vmax is directly proportional to radius of curvature, gravitation, acceleration due to gravity, and tan of angle between the level road and the bank road. So here you have tan theta. So here you have theta. So tan theta is from here. So hope you all understood the motion of a car on a banked road. So what we have done here. So one car consider ಮಾಡಿವಿ on banked road. So first what we have to do is ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ force ಈ ಕಾರ್ ಮೇಲೆ act ಆಗ್ತಾವ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. So there is one normal reaction, frictional force and mg. So ಇವು ಫೋರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಎಫ್ ಬರೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಮ್ ಜಿ ಏನು ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಮ್ ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ F along the horizontal and the vertical direction. So after writing this we have to start the derivation. So net force along vertical is 0. So yak net force along vertical is 0 ant helide. So adond equation bardu equation convert this equation to mg. So you will get n cos theta minus f sin theta. So next idu vertical aitu. Next centripetal force ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೋ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಪಿಟಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2 by equation 1 then you get v square by rg is equals to n sin theta plus f cos theta divided by n cos theta minus f sin theta. So idu nimdu equation 3. So for maximum safe speed Vmax, so what we have to do, so we have to substitute f is equals to nu s n. So f is equals to nu s n substitute madidre, so you get, so v square max, so finally you get this v square max by rg is equals to sin theta plus nu s cos theta. So this equation you have to write it in terms of tan theta. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ what is tan theta. Tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. So just divide the equation, this equation and this equation by cos theta, then you can write the equation in terms of tan theta. So tan theta ಬರೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಜಿನ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ವಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಜಿ tan theta plus nu s divided by 1 minus nu s tan theta. So next v max is equals to root over rg tan theta plus nu s divided by 1 minus nu s tan theta. So if suppose nu s is equals to 0, then you get v max is equals to root over rg tan theta. So this is the final equation. Clear? So in our next lecture we'll learn about bending of cyclist and solving problems in mechanics. So for this class, so this is all.